Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video with Free Comic Book Day fast approaching 2024. Uh, Inspired by other local artists here in the Phoenix area, I wanted to get a little mini comic done, and I have been looking at templates online to see how you can fold a one page into a mini comic book, and I'm going to kind of go through it in this quick video. So a friend of mine, Damon, sent me the little template on how to do it. And anyway, so this is going to be an 11 by 17 piece of paper, and this is what it's going to look like. It's just a little 6-page comic that will come together. Well, I have an inside cover, so it's actually a 5-page story, but it works out perfect for this little one that I have been working on for the bigger anthology that I will be printing at some point when I get enough pages done. But anyway, I just wanted to, like I said, make this quick video on how to actually fold this and get it cut to make your very own mini comic. So again, this is the original page. It's printed on 11 by 17, and these are all the pages that are there. And you basically label it out, so that's inside cover for me, but that would be page 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you flip the top ones upside down, so 5, 6, 7 will actually be your back cover, and 8 will be your front cover. So 1, 2, 7, 8, yeah. So these will be upside down on the top row. The bottom row says 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So here's what you do. You then take it, fold it in half. So let me see if I can do this easy on camera. But I just line up that corner. Usually, if you just hold that steady, you can rip it the entire way down, and it's usually good to go on that. Then you take it again and fold that in half. Again, line up the corners. Okay, this one's going pretty smooth. Then fold it one more time to where you're going to get, it's getting kind of thick, so kind of a little bit of pressure on all those edges. Then, once you do that, you unfold it all like so. Then, the only bit of cutting you need to do is on this inside track. And what you're gonna cut from here to here on that inside track. Now, so I'm gonna use my metal ruler. I found when you're cutting with X-Acto knives on like plastic rulers, you kind of cut into the groove every now and then. It kind of messes up your straight edge, but these little metal ones, they're baller. And then make sure you have a nice, it's a brand new blade, because I'm going to do about 60 of these tonight. So you're going to go from that fold to this fold on the inside. So double check, now press down. All right, here we go. Make that cut. It's moving on me, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be okay. Then, so you got that cut, right? So then these outside pages are going to be turned out, okay? Then, so you fold back over. Look, made a crease. Let me get rid of this. So you fold back over, fold that back down, like Like I said, just kind of make sure you're getting good folds on all of these, and then your final, just make it happen. Doesn't have to be perfect. These are free, for God's sakes. And there you have it, your own mini comic. And yeah, I was really happy with this one. Like I said, just got motivated from other local artists here. I know my buddy Russ is going to do one, and Damon's doing one. And these will be at Ash Avenue Comics in Tempe, Arizona. Pick one up. And anyway, really excited, really happy to get it done. And yeah, very simple to do, but of course it's going to be pretty time consuming to put them all together, but I'm very happy. As you can see, I already got several of them made. I wanted to do a couple practice runs before I actually made a video, but anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the free comic book day. I'm excited for it.